PGDM IMC की ओर से प्रस्तुत है आपको एक आखिरी सलाम।
The Comm batch of 2020 wishes you a goodbye in their own style.
Here's to the alleys of old Simsar,
that never fail to bewilder.
where good mornings and good afternoons keep coming by.
But out of luck this time was the final goodbye.
We creeped into the faculty corridors.
We drooled over the faculty lounge.
It took us an entire eternity.
Until the cabin we looked for was found.
We want that eternity back.
We wish we could pay another visit.
For even our dreams now cut no slack.
Where even those cabin calls are now implicit.
During the lectures, like rebellious wannabes,
we drooped to our phones like spoiled teens.
We still look at those 5-inch screens
to see your faces again, by any means.
Between lectures, we negotiated that 10-minute break.
And we did always have the last laughs.
Today, our memories have become so opaque.
We hunt for hope every day, looking at our photographs.
Seems ages ago when Zoom meant magnify.
When a meeting meant meeting and standby meant standing by.
But amidst all lost meanings, we can all testify.
We wish we had spared some time for a final goodbye.
But with a renewed vigor, we all wonder.
What's the ado about a last goodbye?
For be it today, tomorrow, or every what, when, or why.
Simsar is our home, and we can always come by.
So from the batch of 2020 to good old Simsar,
let this be a memoir, even if it's a blur.
Where good mornings and good afternoons keep coming by.
But out of luck, this time was the final goodbye.
We never thought that doing this would make our throats stumble.
Or that we'd ever become so sober, wise, and humble.
But as they say, that's how the cookie crumbles.